Hey everyone, ever found yourself in a late night battle with a maths problem? You're staring at the equation that looks vaguely terrifying, or maybe just a blood photo of a maths problem. You wish you could just show it to an expert and get the answer ASAP? Well, that's where Axiom comes in. It's your AI maths assistant designed to be less like a STEM textbook and more like a super smart friend who actually gets it. For the Grok track, focusing on the problem statement number one, we didn't just wanted another chatbot. We wanted something fast, like lightning fast thanks to Grok API. Now, you have seen AI chatbots before, but many feel incomplete because they are often single model. They only understand text input, and trying to show an image or asking questions verbally is like trying to explain quantum physics using only emojis. Possible, but painfully limited. And that's because most of the core AI primarily think in text. Exam breaks out of that text only box. We built it to be truly multimodal. Type your query, standard. Snap a picture of the question, done. Need to just say it because typing dy dx of sine square x is just annoying? Go ahead. We engineered a clever workflow. Exam acts as a skilled translator. It takes your image or voice input, processes it locally using the specialized library, and converts it into precise mathematical text the AI could understand. It's our way of getting around the text only limitation. We are using text to text library to convert those scary mathematical equations from an image to proper latex code. And if your image contains a simple word problem, we use Tesseract OCR. And for voice input, we are using OpenAI's Whisper to understand the spoken questions. The heavy lifting for maths itself, well, it's handled by Llama's 3.370B model running at incredible speeds via Grok API. So you get deep understanding very fast. We don't just give you answer dumped in plain text. Axiom uses math jacks to render explanation or solution in clean, crisp latex. And if you just want to visualize it, just ask for it. Axiom uses plotly.js and math.js to generate interactive 2D graphs right in the chat. You can just play with it and even download the graphs with transparent background because why not? And if the Axiom's answer seems a bit creative, just hit the correct this response button. Give it your feedback. So Axiom is your friendly neighborhood math wizard, powered by Grok's speed, Llama 3.3's brain. It understands text, images, and voice, respects your privacy with local processing, and shows its work beautifully with latex and plots, and even takes the corrections gracefully. It's multi-talented math tool designed to tackle problems the way you encounter them. We are the team hustlers. Thanks for listening.